Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, December 3rd, and this is my recap of the top view videos of the day. And the pound US dollar came in number 3 today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you didn't see my full down analysis on the pound dollar for this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. But also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course all included for only $30 per month. So we're still in a pretty significant range on the dollar pairs, but not really a whole lot's changed from this morning really at all. I still think this looks like 5 waves up right here. Probably either a wave A or a wave 1. To me, I think this is still going to end up going down, most likely again to finish off an ABC of B or an ABC of 2. And eventually, I still think it's either going to go up to make a wave C, which would probably go up to the 50 or the 61% and then turn back down. Or maybe this really is a wave 3 and it just keeps on making higher highs, higher lows for a wave 3. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.